बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज मैं तमाम रिसर्चर्स को 2 पावर 3 डिज़ाइन फैक्टोरियल और स्टैटिस्टिक्स ट्यूटोरियल और सरफराज स्टैट्स लेक्चर 6 के बारे में इंशाल्लाह बताता हूँ। माय नेम इज़ सरफराज रहमान। I did PhD in parasitology. I would like to share this knowledge with references these books, Design and Analysis of Experiments, 8th edition by Douglas C. Montgomery, and this other one is the link, and last one is the internet sources. Please subscribe my channel and also push the button of bell icon. 2 raised power 3 डिज़ाइन, ये फैक्टोरियल डिज़ाइन है। सबसे पहले आपको ये अंदाज़ा होना चाहिए कि 2 raised power 3 फैक्टोरियल डिज़ाइन को डिफ़ाइन कैसे करते हैं। इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंटल डिज़ाइन that allows the researcher to understand the effects of 2 independent variables on a single dependent variable. So इसमें एक्चुअली होता ये है कि 2 इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल्स होते हैं और एक जो है वो सिंगल डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल होता है। इसकी कंडीशन क्या है? इन दिस टाइप ऑफ डिज़ाइन वन independent variable has 2 levels and other independent variable has 3 level. आप इस चार्ट में देख सकते हैं कि this is the second independent variable, it has the 2 level, और ये first independent variable है, इसमें 3 level है। तो इस सूरत में आप 2 raised power 3 factorial डिज़ाइन अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। तो ये आपको थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में एग्जांपल से वजाहत करना चाहता हूँ। Suppose a botanist wants to understand the effects of sunlight. इसके देखें तो 3 लेवल हैं, low, medium and high, and other was watering frequency, it's daily or weekly, on the growth of a certain species of plant. This is an example of 2 raised power 3 factorial design because there are 2 independent variables, one having 2 levels and other having the 3 levels. आप इसमें देख सकते हैं कि independent variable number 1 that is the sunlight, and इसके level देखें 3 level हैं, low, medium and high, और other one independent variable the watering frequency, इसके 2 लेवल हैं, डेली दी जा सकता है वाटर और वीकली दिया जा सकता है। डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल दैट इज द प्लांट ग्रोथ, एंड दिस इज द टेबल। आप इस टेबल में भी आप देख सकते हैं, एक साइड पे सनलाइट है, दूसरी साइड पे वाटरिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी है। तो इसका पर्पस क्या है इस डिज़ाइन का? इसका मेन पर्पस जो है टू एनालाइज द फॉलोइंग इफेक्ट्स। सबसे पहले मेन इफेक्ट्स देखते हैं, क्या जो 3 फैक्टर्स हैं क्या वो इफेक्टिव हैं या नहीं हैं। देयर आर द इफेक्ट्स दैट just one independent variable has on the dependent variable. For example, in our previous scenario we could analyze the following main effects. Main effects of the sunlight on the plant growth. Plant growth पे sunlight का effects देखते हैं, either received the low sunlight, medium sunlight and received high sunlight. So other main effects of the watering frequency on the plant growth, that watering daily or watering weekly. तो इस सूरत में आप देख सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी that the interaction effects mean these occur when the effect that one independent variable has on the dependent variable depends on the level of the other independent variable. For example, in our previous scenario, we could analyze the following interaction effect. Does the effect of sunlight on the plant growth depend on watering frequency? Does the effects of watering frequency on the plant growth depend on the amount of sunlight? How to analyze the 2 by 3 2 raised to power 3 factorial design? We can perform a two-way ANOVA to formally test whether or not independent variable have a statistical significant relationship with the dependent variable. So these are the purpose. अब मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल से समझाना चाहता हूँ कि one researcher is interested to see the effects of different dewormers to kill the parasites in the animals and also see the effects of their combination albendazole, expendazole and ivermectin and data. You can see in this data, this is the treatment combination 1A, B, ABC, AC, BC and ABC. Or that's one is the replicate and then total value. This is the geometrical view. You can see in this geometrical view that is the 1 A, AB, ABC, AC and this is the BC and B and this C and each one have the high level and the low level, high level and low level, and these are the numerical values of that alphabets. So this is the table algebraic signs for calculating the effects of 2 raised power 3 design. आप इसमें देख सकते हैं these are the treatment combination. इस first में all are the positive sign, that is the high level, and in this one is the negative, other is the positive, this one is the low level, this one is the high level. Similarly in others that treatment combination, and you can observe in all these that the factorial effects. In this table you can see positive indicate the high level and negative indicate the low level. So step 1, the hypothesis. The hypothesis is that the factor A, B, C are equal, mu A, mu B and mu C are equal. It is the null hypothesis. And other condition is the alternative hypothesis, that at least one of the mean is not equal to the research or alternative hypothesis. So mu naught A is not equal to B is not equal to C. This one is the research or alternative hypothesis. Other condition that you can also apply all the interactions are not equal, and the factor A that not effect of A, not effect of B, not effect of C. So the step second, the level of significance, this alpha is equal to 0.05%. Step third, that the test statistics, and आप इस test statistics में देख सकते हैं कि f is equal to ms mean square of the factors over mean square of error. Or step 4, calculations, reject h0 if f is lesser than f alpha, v1, v2. V1 is the degree of freedom of numerator, degree of freedom of denominator, and calculations. You can see in these calculations A for albendazole, B for expendazole, and C for ivermectin, and all other is the combination of these the dewormers. The calculation of the sum of the square, that if you calculate the sum of the square of the A, that the contrast A square A10, this is the 2 raised power 3 n, mean 2 raised power 3 factorial design, so that it will come the A10, and these are the calculated values. Next one is the other, that BC, ABC and total and error, and you can find out this value. And this is the Innova table. You can see in this Innova table these are the sum of the skew values, and this is the mean skew values, and this is the for our degree of freedom, and this is the total degree of freedom. So this is the F value you can see in this table. So the step 4, the decision rule, reject H naught if F is lesser than F alpha, V1 and V2. So this is the for A that 0.02 is lesser than 4.49, so the null hypothesis is accepted, and albendazole is not effective, or the all worm it is statistical not significant. So other condition is 25.544. This is the greater than this value 4.49, and so in this condition null hypothesis is rejected. So the oxybenzole is effective for the worm and it is statistically significant. This is the and 9.25. So it is clear that if the calculated value is greater is the calculated value is greater than the table value, then null hypothesis is rejected. So you can observe in these values. So how can you interpret the combination of albendazole and oxybenzole is not statistically significant and not effective? The combination of albendazole and ivermectin is statistically significant and effective. The combination of oxybenzole and ivermectin is not statistically significant and not effective. Combination of albendazole, oxybenzole and ivermectin is not statistically significant and not effective. So this is the step 6, that the conclusion, oxybenzole, ivermectin separately and the combination of albendazole and oxybenzole are statistically significant and effective for killing the worm in the body of animals. Albendazole alone and the combination of albendazole and oxybenzole, combination of oxybenzole and ivermectin and the combination of albendazole, oxybenzole and ivermectin are not effective for the treatment of the worm in the body of animals. अगर आपको इसमें कोई क्वेश्चन, अगर कोई क्वेरी है तो आप मेरे चैनल पे क्वेश्चन एंटर कर सकते हैं. इंशाल्लाह आई विल रिस्पॉन्स एज सून एज पॉसिबल. Thank you so much.